Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to give you a super quick overview of how our platform works inside of Tekmetric. The first thing you might see on the estimate page is the big blue Detect Auto button or our Detect Auto side panel button. If we go ahead and click on the side panel button, that will open up our browser extension. This tool has a couple different features on it. The first one being our new chat feature. This allows you to refresh the interface in case you have anything currently entered into our chat. The second one is chat history. If you click on this, this will show you all of the recent chats and usages that you've had for the Detect Auto system, as well as the different pages that you've been on inside of the platform. And finally, this third tab here will show you the abilities that we have active inside of Tekmetric for your shop. From here, you can access any of our tools from the Abilities tab up top here. These update depending on what page you're on. So if we click over to the Inspections tab and we go ahead and add a new inspection, then all of a sudden our inspection maintenance ability will add itself in as well. And this is dynamic. As you're moving around inside of Tekmetric, our abilities will update themselves depending on what you're doing on the page. Finally, I also wanted to show you how you can utilize our support system as well and change some of your settings. If you click on this button in the top right hand corner with your initials in it, you'll be able to access your profile inside of our admin settings. You'll also be able to go to our shop settings and add users and update maintenance intervals and a bunch of other settings as well. The most important parts for users inside of here will probably be from the extension settings. If you click on this button, this will enable you to configure all of the different settings for the unique abilities we have built inside of Detect Auto. And finally, if you have any additional questions, you're always welcome to go and watch our video tutorials where we show you how to utilize our products, or even chat with the team directly inside of our live support chat where we're able to help you with any issues that may come up. So that's a high level of how Detect Auto works inside of Tekmetric. Thanks.